Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Capital One Shopping to Safari. First, download the Capital One Shopping app from the App Store by searching for it and tapping download. After installing, open the app and click the link it provides to enable the Safari extension. This will automatically open Safari. Once Safari is open, tap the AA icon in the address bar, select Manage Extensions, find Capital One Shopping and toggle it on. When prompted, tap Review and then choose Always Allow to activate it. You can now shop through Safari with discounts and rewards automatically applied. If the extension doesn't appear, make sure the app is installed and updated, that you followed the setup link from the app, and that Safari is set as your default browser. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.